Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove handwriting keyboard. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. It's that little gear-shaped icon you'll usually find right on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, scroll down inside the Settings menu until you spot General Management, then tap on it. This is where all your device's core controls are located. Step 3. Now look for the Keyboard List and Default option and tap on it. This is the section where you manage all your keyboard settings, including languages and input methods. Step 4. After that, select Gboard, that's Google's default keyboard, and then head over to the Languages section to see all your enabled typing options. Step 5, here you'll see a list of languages. If you've previously enabled handwriting mode for any language, just tap on that language to access its settings. Step 6, finally, you'll notice the handwriting option is checked. This means it's active, so simply uncheck it, then confirm by tapping Done. And just like that, you've completed the process of how to remove handwriting keyboard. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.